Welcome to MF Cars Review. The 2025 BMW M3 continues the legacy of high-performance sedans, blending exhilarating power with everyday usability. This latest iteration introduces several enhancements, including increased horsepower, updated design elements, and advanced digital features, ensuring the M3 remains at the forefront of its class. Under the hood, the M3 competition xDrive model sees a notable power increase. The 3.0-liter inline-six engine now delivers 523 horsepower, a 20 horsepower boost over its predecessor. This enhancement propels the sedan from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a mere 2.8 seconds, offering a thrilling driving experience. The engine's design incorporates motorsport-derived technology, such as a rigid crankcase and lightweight forged crankshaft, ensuring both high performance and reliability. Externally, the 2025 M3 receives subtle yet impactful updates. Redesigned headlights provide a fresh aesthetic, while new forged alloy wheels enhance its dynamic stance. Optional M-Shadow line exterior accents are available for those seeking a more aggressive appearance. These design refinements contribute to a modern and assertive look, aligning with BMW's current design language. Inside, the M3 boasts significant technological advancements. The introduction of BMW's operating system 8.5 is showcased on a curved display that seamlessly integrates the instrument cluster and central infotainment screen. This system offers M-specific graphics and enhanced user interaction, providing drivers with intuitive access to vehicle functions. Additionally, a redesigned steering wheel and updated interior trim elevate the cabin's sporty yet luxurious ambience. BMW has also announced plans for an all-electric M3, potentially named the M3, set to debut alongside the traditional petrol version. This electric variant is expected to feature a quad-motor setup, potentially producing up to 1,341 horsepower, surpassing the performance of its petrol counterpart. The M3 aims to deliver an electrifying driving experience while maintaining the M3's iconic characteristics. In terms of safety and driver assistance, the 2025 M3 comes equipped with standard features such as blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, lane departure warning, and lane keeping assist. Adaptive cruise control is available as an option, enhancing both convenience and safety during daily commutes and long-distance drives. The 2025 BMW M3 is set to commence production in July 2024, with a phased worldwide launch to follow. Pricing starts at $76,000 for the base model, $80,200 for the M3 competition, and $85,300 for the M3 competition with xDrive. These models will be built at BMW Group Plant Munich, continuing the brand's tradition of precision engineering and quality craftsmanship. In summary, the 2025 BMW M3 represents a harmonious blend of performance, technology, and design. With increased power, refined aesthetics, and cutting-edge digital features, it upholds the M3's storied heritage while embracing the future of automotive innovation. Whether opting for the traditional petrol model or anticipating the forthcoming electric variant, drivers can expect an unparalleled driving experience synonymous with the M badge.